エキスポ2025にご来場いただきありがとうございます。ご来場の皆様にご案内いたします。この時期は気温が非常に高くなり、熱中症の危険性が高まります。喉が渇く前に定期的に水分・塩分を補給し、こまめな休憩を心がけ、熱中症に十分ご注意ください。日差しが強いときは帽子や日傘で日差しを避けるようにしてください。日傘を使われる際は周囲の方にぶつかれないようご配慮をお願いいたします。体調が優れない場合は無理をなさらず、すぐにお近くの警備員またはスタッフまでお知らせください。
Thank you for coming to Expo 2025 today. We would like to inform all visitors to this event. This time of year, temperatures are extremely high and facing the risk of heat stroke. Please take care to drink water and salt regularly before you become thirsty. Take frequent breaks and take extra precautions against heat stroke. When the sun is strong, avoid the sun by using a hat or parasol. When using a parasol, please be careful not to bump into people around you. If you are feeling unwell, please do not exert yourself and notify the nearest security guard or staff member immediately.